activity I would characterise as the most advanced major military activity that will be conducted in the world this year. Now that's a bold statement, but we are nearly 33,000 people involved in this exercise. So this is not Taliban 12th century fighters in Afghanistan. We have modelled ourselves on the nation state and hybrid capability. So out off the coast now, our naval elements are hunting highly capable submarines and preparing to deal with enemy adversary. And on land we're trying to replicate what I would call the hybrid warfare that the Russians have demonstrated, people in and out of uniform, slipping uniform on and off to dissipate into the community, etc. I'm confident this will be the largest relatively free prey activity of this scale in the world. The US component of the amphibious landing started about midnight last night, so the Marines are already conducting advanced force operations further down the coast. We have a combat brigade who will go into the Afghanistan and Iraq reinforcement cycle, and on the US side this is a major certification activity for US Combatant Command out of PACOM, and so for both of us this is an actual evaluation exercise as well. Aviation battle group that is out here is a combined and integrated single unit. That is, we have American and Australian pilots flying together in the same unit, in the same tactical formations. We have some experimental unmanned aerial systems and a range of other capabilities out here. So we have had a soldier killed on this training area this year already. This is a dangerous, demanding training area. It is frankly almost virgin bush in a very challenging environment.